Good morning, third class children. Now I am going to tell you about workbook remaining exercises. Children, take out your workbooks. Open page number 18. See here, children. What are the merits and demerits of rail transport? What are the merits and demerits of rail transport? Merits: suitable for heavy goods and materials. It is also relatively cheap means suitable for long distance, cheap and regular. It is operated in fixed time and certain routes. Demerits: huge investment, less flexible. Lack of flexibility is a major disadvantage. Right here, MERITS merits, SUITABLE suitable effort for HAVY heavy GOODS goods and MATERIALS materials. ITES is ALSO also. RELATIVEL relatively CHEAP cheap MEANS means suitable for heavy goods and materials. It is also relative cheap means. SUITABLE suitable effort for LONG long DISTANCE distance suitable for long distance. CHEAP cheap and REGULR regular cheap and regular. It is ITES is OPERATED operated in FIXED fixed TIME time and CERTAIN certain ROUTES routes. ROUTES routes. It is operated in fixed time and certain routes. These are railway transport merits. Okay, children. Suitable for heavy goods and materials. It is also relatively cheap means suitable for long distance, cheap and regular. It is operated in fixed time and certain routes. These are merits of railway transport. Now, demerits: HUGE huge investment, INVESTAME huge investment, LESS less, FLEXIBLE less flexible, LAKE lack of FLEXIBILITY lack of flexibility is A, IS is A, MAJOR major, DISADVANTAGE disadvantage. Lack of flexibility is a major disadvantage, less flexible and huge. These are demerits of rail transport. Okay, children, write neatly merits and demerits of railway transport. Next, look at this picture: cycling and walking. Walking and cycling are not only good for environment but also good for personal health. Do you agree? Yes or no, children? Do you agree? Yes. Can you give reasons? Yes, I agree. Reasons: getting out walking or cycling burns calories, gets your heart pumping and works your legs and ups. It can also lift your mood, put a smile on your face and improve your general health and well-being. YESS, IAGRE agree, GETTING getting, OUT WLKING walking, war or CYCLING cycling, BURNS burns, CALORIES calories, GETS gets you, HART heart, PUMPING pumping and WRKS works, LAGS legs and ABS ups, ITES and can ALSO also LIFT lift, MOD mode, PD put a SML smile when on your FSE face and IMPROV improve your GENERAL general HELTH health and WELL well-being well-being. Okay, children. Getting out walking or cycling burns calories, gets your heart pumping and works your legs and abs. It can also lift your moods, put a smile on your face and improve your general health and well-being. Next, complete the flow chart. Water transport. Inland water transport, ocean transport. Ocean transport, two types: coastal shipping, overseas shipping. Inland water transport, INLAND, land, inland, WTR, water, TRANSPORT. Inland water transport, two types: inland water transport and ocean transport. Ocean transport, two types: coastal shipping and overseas shipping. Coastal shipping, COASTAL, coastal, SHIPPING, shipping. Overseas shipping, OVERSEAS, overseas, SHIPPING, shipping. Overseas shipping. Ocean transports, two types: coastal shipping and overseas shipping. Next, page number 19, children. State whether the following statements are true or false. True or false. First one, domestic airlines operate within the country. Yes, this is a correct statement. Right here, true. TRUE, true. Submarines carry passengers across the sea. This is a false. Submarine is a warship. So, false statement, FALSE, false. Terms travel on the tracks which are laid on the roads. False. FALSE, false. Ropeway is a means of air transport. False. FALSE, false. Next, the invention of wheel revolutionized the field of transport. True. TRUE, true. Sledges are pulled by donkeys in snow-covered areas. False. Sledges are pulled by dogs. Here, donkeys. This is a wrong statement right here. False. FALSE, false. The petrol and diesel vehicles cause air pollution. This is a correct statement right here. True. TRUE, true. True. False. 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 True. False. True. Okay, children, write neatly. Next, fill in the blanks. Land, water and air transports are the dash of transport. Modes of transport. MODES, modes of transport. Land, water, air transports are the modes of transport. Next, the only animal used as a means of transport in the desert is dash, camel, CAMEL, camel. The only animal used as a means of transport in the desert is camel. Dash is the best mode of transport during emergency. Medical transport, MEDICAL, medical transport, TRANSPORT, medical transport is the best mode of transport during emergency. Fourth one, the dash transportation reduce traffic congestion and population. Public, PUBLIC, public. The public transportation reduce traffic congestion and pollution. Next, door-to-door service can be provided by dash transport. Flexible transport. Door-to-door service can be provided by flexible, FLEXIBLE, flexible transport. Dash is the convenient mode of transport large quantities on land. Railway transport. Railway transport is the convenient mode to transport large quantities on land. RAIL, rail. TRANSPORT, transport. Railway transport. Modes, camel, medical transport, public, flexible transport, rail transport. Okay, children? Next, match the following. Medical transport, air transport, private transport, public transport, future vehicle, railways, own or rented car, ambulance, hydrogen fuel car, inaccessible areas. Next, medical transport, ambulance. Right here 1. Air transport, inaccessible areas. Right here 2. Private transport, own or rented car. Next, public transport, railways, future vehicles, hydrogen fuel car. Okay children, 4, 3, 1, 5, 2. Write neatly. Medical transport, ambulance, air transport, inaccessible areas, private transport, own or rented cars, public transport, railways, future vehicles, hydrogen fuel car. Okay children, write neatly. I will meet in the next class. Thank you. Today's home task: learn and write this page at home in rough notebook.